Hello, Myla. Are you ready to beat yourself on day 2?
That big bad wolf
Huh?
knocked the house down.
You ready to try again?
Just like Jill knocked your building
Okay.
down. And that
So first of all, wave to the camera
Jill
and say
and
good
the wolf
morning to
both
everybody.
knocked things down. Let's go find that wolf and find out why he's knocking down those houses.
Okay, now you want your spoon? Okay.
But how will we
Open
know
up your
which
hand
way
all the
the
way.
wolf went?
There's your spoon.
To the
Now remember what to do?
rescue.
Remember,
With my
you gotta tip your hand into the bowl,
I could build a sign that tells us
right?
which way the wolf went.
And then you bring it up.
Right?
Now you gotta bring it up to your mouth. Bring your elbow up. Bring your elbow up.
Okay, I need to bring you to
Now
help
bring it to
me
your mouth.
the alphabet. And I'll build the letters. Ready?
Close your mouth.
C,
And tip your head back up so it doesn't all fall back out.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Head all the way up so it doesn't fall out.
I, J, K, L,
Oh, there it goes.
Q,
Did you get a bunch?
X, U, V, W, X,
Did you get a bunch, Myla?
Sing with
Yeah?
Amazing
Is it good?
alphabet singing. And now
Is
we
it good?
need to find all the letters in the word wolf. Which was the letter W?
Hold on.
That's one. W.
You want more? There you go.
And now,
You gotta turn your arm.
O. Where's the letter
Twist
O?
your hand down into the bowl, remember? Tip the spoon down. Scoop some up.
There's the
Now you
O.
put it up to your head. Move your elbow up in the air. Now bring it up to your head. Bring it up.
Okay. And now, the letter L. Where is
Bring it up, Myla. You gotta find your mouth. Come on.
there?
You find your mouth? Did you get some in there?
And finally,
It's all over your face. Turn around. Let me
that
say.
there it is.
Okay.
Right
Did you
there.
get some in there? Or did you just like get it all over your face?
The letters with me. W-O-L-F. Wolf.
Huh? Okay. You ready to go get some more? Okay, you gotta turn your arm.
Give ourselves a big thumbs
Turn your arm. Keep turning your arm. Turn it down.
We did it. Now we can follow the signs to a wall.
Well, you gotta turn your hand downward
For super letters.
and scoop into the bowl.
To the wolf we go.
Okay? Don't let it go.
To the wolf.
You gotta bring your elbow up, remember?
Go.
Now bring it up to your face. Bring it up to your mouth. There it goes. There it goes in her mouth. Get it in there. You gotta close your mouth. Bring your head up.
Which letters did you find? F.
Did you get some in there that time?
An F and an I? Put them into our super duper.
Well, you got it all over your chin. I'll clean you up a little bit. Get inside your nose. Look at the way you're holding your spoon, Myla.
Then we'll get our
Get it upside down there. You're gonna, you don't have nothing in there. On there. Right, you gotta turn your spoon a different way. Your mouth's not that big. Is it? Is your mouth that big?
I am the wolf.
Okay. So let's fix just your spoon. Open up your hand. Okay. Looks like I gotta adjust it, man. It's gotta be kind of
The wolf just blew
like.
the stick house.
All right, close your hand. Let's see what that looks like.
Oh my.
All right, that should be better. Okay.
Wolf, we need to get past this wall of sticks.
Can you dig into it? You gotta tip your arm up. Remember, you tip it up this way. You turn your hand like backwards and get into the bowl
I wonder where basket
and dig some up.
is fall into something else.
Hold on. Wait, Bob, what's gonna fall? Wait a minute, man. You're turning your spoon again. You gotta hold your spoon nice and tight, okay? Now bring it up to your mouth. Alright, you should be bringing it up. You gotta move your elbow up. Did you get some in there?
Read it with me. What
Okay.
letter is this?
Move it around.
T. T. And a T sounds like t. And this is all.
Is it good?
What word is this?
Yeah.
Tall. Tall. What do
Do you want to say hi to the camera?
The word wall to tall.
You gonna wait with your spoon? You're knocking the food all off, Myla. You're springing food around.
Made the wall really, really tall.
I don't want to wear your food, okay?
That won't help us get
Huh?
past this wall.
I know you think that it's like the new style now, right? Is it the new style?
And the B sounds like
But it may look good on you, but it won't look good on me, okay? Okay, so now what do? You find your bowl.
What will happen?
Now you tip your hand backwards, right? You gotta turn your arm this way. Right? Turning your hand so you can go into the bowl. Okay? Now you gotta find your mouth again.
Wonderific. You were terrific.
You're closing your mouth, Myla, before you get it in.
Like this. Roll with me.
Okay? You gotta wait till you get the spoon in. Do you want to try a smaller spoon? Yes. Okay, hold on. Want to try one of your crayon spoons? Huh?
You see more super letters?
Okay.
You do? Where? Oh, yeah.
Okay, can I have that spoon? No. Can you pick it back up and hand it to me?
And an E? Way to go, super readers.
It's over here, Myla.
Coming to our super.
Right here, Myla. Can you pick it up? Can you hand it to me? Can we just do that again, just so that I can get it on video?
2 more super letters.
Pick it up.
And then we'll get our super story answer. Onward, super
Pick it up.
To the wolf, to the wolf, to the wolf we go.
Pick it up. Now hand it to me.
Do you see the wolf?
Thank you very much.
Where?
Alright, so let's try a different spoon, okay?
Oh, he's by the brick house.
Try a different spoon.
Let's roll.
I am going to hop, and I am going to pop.
Let's take this, Myla.
To blow this brick house.
And just, can I have it? See your hand? Can you open your hand way up? We're going to wipe off a little bit of the food
Hey, wolf.
so that the spoon doesn't slide out of your
We're
hand.
super readers, and
Okay.
we want to talk to you. Why are you not being nice?
Because I am.
Alright, does that feel a little bit better?
Oh, that's why. See?
Yes?
Right there.
Alright, so come grab the spoon.
There once was a big bad wolf.
We can't talk to the wolf if he's being
Alright,
bad.
now can you go into the bowl with that spoon?
What can we do?
Remember, you gotta tip your hand back.
To the rescue.
You can stretch out your arm.
How to read? I can change
You
the
reach
word
in
big a day.
and pull up. Now try to bring up your elbow.
Let's change the word big in this sentence.
Now bring it to your mouth.
Zap it. Ready, set, zap.
Is that better for you?
Right, Ryder? Right.
We're gonna keep your mouth closed, man. Otherwise, it's just gonna fall out.
Which word is the opposite of big? Is it
Okay.
small, red,
Okay, try to keep your mouth closed once you get it in there.
small? Which is the word small? I think it has an all in it.
Okay, well, here's your spoon back. You want more?
That one.
You put your thumb around it,
Zap into
remember?
our sentence.
Open up all the way.
Zap.
Pay attention to what you're doing.
Let's read our new sentence and see what
Okay.
happens. There
Now what do you do with
was
the spoon?
a small, bad wolf.
You gotta bring your arm up. Bring your elbow up in the air, Myla. Now bring it into the bowl and scoop it up. Wow, look at how big that bite is. Now bring your elbow up.
Small, but he's still acting bad.
Now bring it into your mouth.
We need to change the word bad.
Now remember, close your mouth once you get it in there. Did you get some?
Super readers.
Hmm?
What is the opposite?
Are you showing me that you got some? You spitting it part way out so I can see? Huh?
Which one would work good?
You're saying, here, Betty, look, I got it. All right. Let's
Let's zap it into
turn the
our center.
spoon again.
Ready, set,
You ready?
now we read.
Now you gotta tip your hand. Remember, you gotta tip your hand.
Good bowl.
Dig into the bowl.
Why, hello, super reader.
Okay? Now you gotta pull it up to your mouth.
Whoa,
Move your elbow up.
to our book. How do you do?
You lost it that time. You didn't get nothing, did you?
Superb job, super readers. We
Huh?
finished the story.
Did you get anything that time?
Whoa.
We'll go back in the bowl and try it again.
Why are you not being
Gotta
nice?
keep trying until you get it, right?
I don't.
Eventually you'll get it, right? Look at the table. I think she's painting the table with food. Up. Careful.
Because
Are you painting the table with food? Alright, can you go back into the bowl? Mom, you gotta lift up your elbow, Myla. Bring out your arm towards the bowl. And you can bring your arm back in a little bit. And just scoop it up.
You can't catch me.
No, I got you. Okay, I got you. Okay.
Oh, no, you can't.
You are fast.
Oh, you didn't get much, but try that. Put it in and close your mouth all the way.
Small good wolf.
And pull it back out with your mouth still closed.
Excuse me.
Did you get some?
Big again.
I guess so. She's throwing to me again.
My magic I can spell the word big.
Okay, you ready?
One,
You're kind of losing your spoon here. Put your spoon back out this way.
P,
Okay?
I,
I'm going to go in here again. And we're going to go like this. Okay? Now bring it up to your mouth. Once you get it in, close it.
P-I-G is pig.
Now tip your head back up.
We
You
need
should tip your head back up, Myla, before you pull out the spoon so that the food stays
you
in.
to be with me.
Okay? It's all a learning thing. You gotta just relearn how to do it, right?
I,
Right.
G.
Just remind yourself how to redo it. You're doing great. Right? Are you doing great? Are you doing great at it?
Again by spelling the word big.
Are you doing great?
Take a bow.
Why not?
Whoop, there was
Because you're making a mess? Oh well, everybody makes messes. Look at it. I had stuff on my shirt from where it splattered all over me. Everybody makes a mess, Myla. No big deal. Okay?
super letters. You see super letters?
Right?
Which ones?
Okay, can you bring it up to your mouth?
R,
Okay,
N,
bring up your elbow.
R, and N. Okay. We need to put them into our super
Open it up.
computer.
Now you can bring your head up. Ah, you just lost a lot of it because you didn't bring your head up in time.
We did it. We found all of our super letters. Now we can get our super story answer. One flyer.
Are you saying hi to everybody? Hmm. Okay. You ready for more? You ready for more? No. I think Sammy wants your food.
Super duper computer.
Think so?
Give us our super
Think he's
story
hunting.
answer.
You can try to do it by yourself? You tip your hand up. You have it up to your elbow.
Letters with
You
me.
tip your spoon down into the bowl.
R, I, E,
A little bit of help?
D. Friend.
Would you like a little bit of help?
Super